Did you know there's a golden spice sitting right there in your kitchen cabinet, just waiting to be discovered? It's a spice that's been revered and used for healing purposes for over 4,000 years, tracing back to ancient traditions and cultures. It was even a valuable commodity in the historical spice trade. I'm talking about turmeric, that vibrant, earthy spice that adds a pop of color and a wealth of health benefits to your life. Turmeric is a true superstar, celebrated in both Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for its remarkable properties. And honestly, it stands out as one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods you can easily incorporate into your diet. But what exactly is it that makes turmeric so incredibly beneficial for our health and well-being? What's the secret behind its golden glow? It all comes down to a powerful compound called curcumin, the key active ingredient within turmeric. That's the magic inside turmeric that not only gives it its distinctive bright yellow color, but also unlocks its real superpower, its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. Curcumin doesn't just offer a temporary fix or help you feel better for a day. Its benefits extend far beyond that. It actively fights inflammation at the molecular level, targeting the root cause of many health issues. That means it may actually help you manage joint pain and stiffness, ease bloating and digestive discomfort, and even provide support for chronic conditions like arthritis, IBS, or asthma, offering a natural approach to managing these ailments. So with all this talk about its potential, what does the science actually say about what turmeric can do for you and your health? Here's the short list of scientifically backed benefits, and trust me, it's a good one, packed with reasons to incorporate turmeric into your life. First and foremost, it can significantly reduce chronic inflammation throughout your body, helping to protect against a range of diseases. Turmeric can also support joint health and mobility, making it easier to stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. It can improve your digestion, promoting a healthy gut, and reducing issues like bloating and indigestion. Turmeric has also been shown to boost your brain function and mood, potentially enhancing cognitive abilities and promoting a sense of well-being. And perhaps most importantly, turmeric can even strengthen your immune system, helping your body defend itself against illness and infection. And get this, some compelling studies suggest that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, could play a role in lowering your risk of developing heart disease, supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Certain types of cancer, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And even Alzheimer's disease, thanks to its powerful antioxidant effects that protect brain cells from damage. Now, you might be wondering, how can you actually incorporate turmeric into your daily life to reap all these incredible benefits? Good news, it's super easy and surprisingly versatile. You can add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to warm milk, along with a touch of honey and cinnamon, for a cozy and comforting cup of golden milk before bedtime. You can also stir it right into your favorite soups or curries, adding a warm, earthy flavor and a boost of anti-inflammatory power. For a quick and nutritious breakfast, sprinkle a little turmeric into your smoothie, blending it with fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. Or, if you prefer a more convenient option, you can simply take it as a supplement in capsule form, ensuring a consistent daily dose. But here's the trick to maximizing turmeric's benefits. Always pair turmeric with a little black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to dramatically boost your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. No joke. This combination ensures that you're actually getting the full benefits of this amazing spice. Want a quick, easy, and tasty anti-inflammatory drink that you can whip up in minutes? Here's a super simple recipe for golden milk that you can try tonight. Start by warming up a cup of your favorite plant-based milk, such as almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk, in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the milk is warm, add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric powder to the saucepan. Next, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin. For added flavor and warmth, stir in a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Finally, add a touch of honey or maple syrup to sweeten the drink to your liking. Stir it all together until well combined, pour it into a mug, and sip it slowly before bed. It's incredibly soothing, deeply healing, and honestly, it's absolutely delicious. Look, turmeric isn't a magic bullet that will solve all your health problems overnight, but adding a little turmeric to your daily routine, whether it's in your food, drinks, or as a supplement, is a golden step toward achieving better health, naturally and sustainably. So give it a try, experiment with different ways to incorporate it into your life, and let your body thank you for the incredible benefits it provides. Want even more healing food tips and natural health advice? Subscribe to our channel for weekly videos packed with valuable information. If you found this video helpful and informative, Don't forget to hit that like button to show your support and share it with someone you know who could benefit from a little natural healing in their life. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food-based wellness tips and healthy living inspiration.